10 times as more tedious. I thought he was got to tell me that's how we do it. We got it, and I was like, yay! And then he's like talking about how we scared off the wave of police. Okay, a fresh one from the lab. All right, these are the last ones.
Siege.
By the time
Select your
By the
champion.
time we're done here, I think my body count will
Customize
be
your
at least
champion.
500.
Evie.
You know, 700, 700 at the worst. 600 if we're good. I would say, all right. Here's what I'm thinking: 500 the minimum, 600 is like the moderate, 700 is like maximum. I watch as it shows me that I got over 1,000 kills. How many bullets did you absorb? Yes. That's my guy. Haha, I shot that fucker while I was while I was dazed. Evie? What's that?
Come watch the great Evie take down all the people she hates. Not you, of course.
Where's our heli?
Can't get me.
Over an hour of this. Alright, yeah, after this I just want to look at some videos and just show you some of my favorite moments from some of my games we play.
From the 5, 4,
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Engine 12.
Let the battle begin.
Luck won't matter.
Come on, Bane. You're the most picky motherfucker ever, Bane. You know that?
An enemy has drawn first blood. Enemy double kill.
I like how that guy was ready to try and hit me, but then I chopped him with my sword.
Killing spree.
I don't know why you guys are all hanging out inside the house at this point, you know? Like, there's nothing to do in the house, right? Oh, hey. You can't do that, pal. Don't you know that that's how you die?
For the greater evil.
That was right in my ear.
And wait.
Enemy double kill.
That was right in my ear, dude.
Abby, cadaver. Snack time.
You're breathing in. Yeah, that was a lot louder than it should have been. Okay, I told you it was gonna be either the second to last one or the very fucking last one.
This is our battlefield.
If it ends up being the very last one, I am gonna fucking laugh my ass off. Alright, come on, Mr. Helicopter Guy, come on.
This is our battlefield.
I think California is slowly running out of police. Right? I'm surprised they haven't called the army in yet, you know?
30 seconds remaining.
Yeah, it's fine.
Boom. Boom.
Point spawning in 15
Paladin is
seconds.
that furry style game, isn't it? I might check it out.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I would take if they have a fox or wolf character, I'd play as them. Maybe. What about wolves? Alright, we'll see. Maybe I'll check it out at some point. Alright, this is the second to last one. If the second one, if this one is the false one, I am gonna strangle Bane.
I will remember this.
Like, how can you get them all wrong, you know?
Help me out.
Man, Schwarzenegger's gonna have quite a fortune to pay after this, isn't he? How did it feel having a Terminator as your governor at one point?
That's 5 in a row.
I'm sorry if I keep distracting. But it's like... So weird that he got to be the governor of California. For a while, you know?
Enemy killing.
He seems, from what I've seen, he's a pretty down-to-earth guy. Like he's not full of himself like some folks are, you know?
Triple kill.
Yeah. Then I loved what Schwarzenegger said to Trump about his approval ratings. All right, you're expecting it, Bane.
Thanks so much.
Enemy killing spree.
You can live.
You are not welcome here.
Okay, finally. Fucking hell. Jeez. Second to last one, dude. Jesus.
Seconds remaining.
Throw some oil on the fire. Uh-huh. Game seems to have forgotten that I paid.
15 seconds
Game
remaining.
seems to have forgotten that. Oh no, there's the experience minus experience.
8, 7, 6,
All right. So how many people did I actually
2,
kill?
1.
Yeah. Okay. 541 was the amount of people that I killed. Yeah, like 541. So it's like, yeah, I was kind of right. Yes, 500 was probably gonna be the number. And that took an hour, dude. Like 58 minutes and 16 seconds. Yeah, that's an hour. But you know what? Whatever. I did it. Oh, cool.
Victory.
Thank me all at once.
Alright. Well, I did that. Alright. Yeah, here, now I want to show you some of the videos I got. Ooh. That was a pain in the ass. Yeah. I just want to share some videos I think I